In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear shock on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted below the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. We'll start where the shock meets onto the rear differential. To remove this mounting bolt, we'll be using two 21 millimeters, one to hold the nut and the other to start removing the bolt. Get that nut off of there. Now this lower bolt should be nice and loose. We'll leave this in just as it is and continue up at the top mounting point. Now as we follow this up to where it connects to the frame, you'll find that you have a 21 millimeter nut on the inboard side, which we'll be holding with a wrench. And then along the outboard side of the frame, you'll be able to access that 21 millimeter headed bolt. We'll put this right on here. Now we can make our way out there and start removing that bolt. Now we can start removing that shock. We'll hold on to it while we remove the bolt. Give it a quick inspection here. Remove the shock from the vehicle. Okay, let's prepare our brand new shock for installation. You'll notice when it was shipped to you, it had this strap going around it. What we will want to do is hold it in between our feet on the ground. I'm going to press this down to release the strap. Now at this point, we can let this fully expand. After it has fully expanded, we're going to press it all the way down, let it come back up, and we'll do this approximately 3 times to charge that shock. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new shock. We'll get this aligned with the top mounting bolt. Take that top mounting bolt and put it through from the outside of the frame heading towards the center. At this point, we can leave this hanging. We'll swing the lower aspect over into its proper mounting bracket. So right here. Now we can start on each one of our mounting nuts and bottom them out. Now we can snug each of these and then torque them to 100 foot-pounds. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your rear shock on your vehicle. At this point, you want to make sure that you replace the other side shock at the same time, because whenever you do these, you do them as a pair. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.